Hey, what's up, guys? Chris with Things That Go Bang. I just want to do a quick update. Um, I finally, I was finally able to go shooting about 2.5, 3 weeks ago, and something happened. Um, Something catastrophic happened. Now I'm gonna switch camera views, and please excuse my workbench. It's a lot a bit messy right now because I have like 10 projects going on at once here. Um, but yeah, let me see if I can switch angles real quick. All right, so that catastrophic failure I was talking about is this here. I went shooting and excuse the knife. I'm making a knife. Anyway, that is my upper, and as you can see, it went boom. I had to cut it to get, I think it was this one right here. I had to cut it to get this bolt carrier group out of it. That was my 223556 upper. And let's see, the bolt for that. Oh, there's the part that I had to cut off. The bolt is literally in pieces. Check that out. It's in pieces. And the failure that happened on it is my own doing. It's my own reload. I guess, I don't know, I miscalculated the powder and I don't know what happened there. I messed up. That's all it was, plain and simple. I messed it up. That was my own fault. Fortunately, nobody got hurt. It was actually my cousin that was firing this at that time, and he didn't get seriously hurt. He had a little scratch from one of the shrapnels that hit him, but that was it. Nothing major, thank God. I was happy about that. Another one is this here. This was from my 6.5 Grendel. Another catastrophic failure. That's the bolt carrier right there. As you can see, there's the bolt carrier, and here's the bolt. Yep, that was the 6.5 Grendel. Same thing. My fault. Um, nobody else to nobody else to blame but me. And if you would give me 1 second here. All right, so this is the Grendel barrel, and as you can see, that brass is still in there. It's embedded in there. I have no idea how to get it out. Then again, I haven't really tried. I'm not sure if this barrel is still serviceable. I'm gonna have to check it out real close. That's the 6.5 Grendel, and this is the 223. Same thing. That lower part of the Brass got sheared off. The rest of it is still stuck in there. And again, I don't know if you can see in there. Focus. I think this barrel is shot. Might still be good. I don't know. I'm gonna have to see. But that's it. That's my quick update. I finally was able to go shooting, and this happens. It sucks. Really does. So that's what I have. The lowers on both rifles survived, thankfully. One of my uppers I was able to salvage. There wasn't really anything wrong with it, but all in all, I lost two BCGs, one for a 5.56 and the others for a 6.5 Grendel, and a upper. So I'm gonna have to fix them and get firing again. I don't have any videos for it. I just went out and started shooting out in the desert. But I'll bring you guys along next time I go shooting. I promise that. But other than that, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. See you guys later.